Today on Yates American J180 restoration. We're going to do a little painting of a bunch of little parts, and then after that we'll finally get to some assembly. So I'm finally at a point where I'm going to start painting some of the smaller parts, and I'm going to hand brush the primer, and I may hand brush the final coat, which is going to be a Van Sickle Dark Ford Gray. My usual method for prepping things for paint is I'll wash them down with lacquer thinner, and just to get any residue off and kind of clean the surface for the paint. After washing them down, I'll use some wood plugs to plug in the holes so I don't get paint inside. I have all kinds of wooden plugs that I use for painting and make sure that paint doesn't get inside. A lot of these parts were not painted. I'm going to at least prime some of the non-contact surfaces. Don't worry, I'm not going to show a bunch of video of pulling tape off, but there is kind of a sweet spot between letting the paint dry too much and doing it too early. If you wait too long, the paint really makes the edges stick, and it tears the tape.